Hey guys, today we have a package from Silly Squishies and it's a huge one. It's so huge, it's taking up my entire table. Before we get started, I want to give a quick shout out to Rosie Squish. I will leave your YouTube channel in the description box below, and if you would like a shout out in a future video, all you need to do is subscribe and comment down below with the hashtag TinyLove. And since the package is already ripped a little bit in the middle, I guess we'll just start opening it from there. So the first squishy I pull out, it says Princess Squishy Mascot, and it looks like Ariel. And it's a heart macaron, and look how beautiful that is, like with the silhouette kind of image. There's like a little bow on the side, and it's actually pretty squishy. I wasn't sure if they were going to be squishy, but they are pretty nice. And as you can tell, there are 6 different ones you can get. There's Snow White, Aurora, Rapunzel, Cinderella, and Belle. And these are by Nick. And so it has licensing on the back by Disney. It's got a little ball chain, and it even has like little sparkles or gems. That's really cute. Looks like they might possibly defect easily, but they're really cute and pretty. Look at the detail on the side with the roses and the bow. That is gorgeous. Our next squishy is an Aurora, and it's pink, and it's got the pretty silhouette as well. And I'm gonna wait until later to open the rest of these, but look how soft that is. It's really nice. Here is Cinderella. It's got like the glass slipper. It's got a blue bow. Oh, here's something different. Here is a Princess Cupcake. This one is Belle. This is Beauty and the Beast. I'm not loving the color combo with the orange, but the top is really pretty. And it's got the ball chain, and I like this kind of little bell image on like a heart cookie kind of thing. And it's got the roses, and it's got the crown. And I saw these online, I think from another company, and I thought, oh my goodness, they're so beautiful and so cute. This one's a little bit more dense. And then Silly Squishies had a 50% off sale on everything on their site. So, yeah. Got a whole bunch of these. And actually, let me take this one out of the packaging so you can see the difference. So this one's pretty big, and so it's got like, it's kind of like a cupcake with like 2 different kinds of cream on top. It's got like a crown as the base. It's got the logo there. It's pretty airy. Next squishy is another cupcake. This is a tangled one with Rapunzel, and it's purple with orange roses. This one's a little bit more slow rising, actually. When I take them all out of packaging, I'll compare. It's funny, usually when you have squishes from the same line, and some are more slow rising than others for some reason. Here is the Rapunzel heart macaron. And yeah, these ones feel really nice. They're really fun to squish. And I like the little detail they have there with like the sequins or whatever. Not sequins. It's more like a little diamond stud. Here is a Belle heart macaron. And yeah, I don't know if I love the color of this one compared to, say, like this one, but I think maybe when they're all together, they'll look really nice. Oh, and this one has like a little heart too. That's cool. Or not the heart, the little rose inside of like the glass vase. And this one is Snow White. It's very red. This one's a little bit dense. Sleeping Beauty is really pretty. The colors are just really nice, and they complement each other well. Here is the Cinderella one. You can't really see it because it's all hidden, and this one's a little bit dense. And I have something really huge at the bottom of the bag, but I'll save it for last. Ooh, I like this one. This one's really pretty. Tiana. It's kind of got like mint green, and purple, and pink. This one's a nice color combo. And I think there was actually another style in the series too, but as someone mentioned, they kind of look like headless princesses, so I didn't get that one, but I do like these two styles. Here's the Snow White heart macaron. Yeah, I think that's it, except for my last one, but I'm going to just open up all of these and take them out of packaging, and we'll get a closer look at them. So we took everything out of packaging, and now we can show you everything in more detail. So first, again, here is the Rapunzel heart macaron. It's got the little gold star. It's pretty soft and slow rising. There's Cinderella. The glass slipper. And I like the color combination. This one's really pretty. The Ariel with the little seashell. I love how girly and dainty they are. And here is Belle with the rose. Aurora. This one's really pretty too. And Snow White. So I think my favorite are more of like the pastel colors, but I am happy that we got the whole set because it's a really nice set. So here is the Cupcake, And this one is quite airy. Here's Cinderella. Yeah, I really like this detail of it. It's really pretty. It's got a little crown on top as well. This one's gorgeous, the Ariel one. The colors are so pretty. And I love Belle, but I think this color combination is my least favorite. It's just a little bit too bright, I think. If they went with like a softer color on the bottom, like, or maybe just yellow instead of orange, it would have been a lot nicer. Oh wow, this one's really soft. And really pretty as well. And last is Snow White. And I feel like this one is like a little bit too red. They could have maybe contrasted the colors a little bit more. So let us know in the comments which one is your favorite, and which ones you would have chosen. Do you prefer the heart macaron or the cupcake? And I have one last squishy to show you. I had to make room for this one because it is huge. It is the I Bloom cheesecake, and I feel like this squishy is so iconic. And I recently got another Japanese cheesecake squishy, and it was really cute, but it wasn't very like soft. And this one is just crazy soft. And it was 50% off, so I thought it would be a great time to pick one up. Only concern I have is the size. It's pretty big, so it's going to take up a lot of room in my squishy box. So once again, this is by I Bloom. And the design of it is very simple. It smells really nice. It has a really nice bread smell. It feels really nice. It's very big, but it's like, so it's got a bit of a weight, but it's also like very soft and airy and light. And I imagine this cheesecake would be delicious. It's really fun to squish. It's actually fast rising, but it's like fun to see that squish. So that is our squishy package. Let me know in the comments what you thought, and if you would like a shout out in a future video, please subscribe and comment down below with the hashtag TinyLove. And I'll see you next time. Bye guys.